Hi, my name is Mike. I'm going to show you how to put a cover on your RV. Get a rope on the front part of it. I like to put this little rope on my belt loop so I can kind of walk up the ladder without carrying any weight. Use two hands, always be safe. You'll have somebody on the ground helping you kind of reef it and get it up here so it's easy to pull. These ADCO covers are really nice. Now we're going to start spreading this out. We can start flopping the sides over. Here we go. Okay. Hand my daughter the strap so she can pull the cover down over the side as I go along, making sure I get over all the awnings. There's no straps on this side, so you kind of have to feed to your friend. As you can see, it pretty much kind of goes down itself with its weight. Now we're going to go to the back, and we're going to do the same thing, repeat it. We're going to try to pull this down and over the ladder, and Raylin's going to be on the ground there helping me get this over the ladder and pull down as I go. We have to just go around the outside of the motorhome and throw the clips under, flip it, and then we're going to come back and show you how to tie these off. And now all you have to do is buckle the buckles, strap it down so the wind doesn't take it off. Okay, now that we've had that done, we're going to go to the back. Now we're going to take the rope that was supplied with the cover, string it any way you want to, it doesn't really matter as long as we take out the slack. And now we're just going to pull it tight. Tie it off, and we're done. Now see, wasn't that easy? Happy motoring.